So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a line break on the Pages iPhone application. So once the app is opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and type in line break as an example. Now, if you want to add a line break, press on the text right here, press anywhere on your page. On this middle bar, go to the far right hand side and press on the plus icon. Where it says insert, scroll down to where it says line break. So if I were to press line break right here, it'll then line break it. So basically, if I were typing, let's just say, I don't know, hello, my name is John, and you want to all of a sudden page break right here, go ahead, type in line break right just like that, and it'll bring it to the next page. Hello, etc. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add a line break on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.